Alright, so what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Minecraft server, probably the easiest way possible. This is the easy way. It's a simple way for you to play with your friends. It's very fun. I've been playing with one of my friends all day. So, um, so to start out this tutorial, you're going to want to go to your internet browser, whatever it is, go to minecraft.net. Go to minecraft.net. You're gonna have to be logged in. Press download now. Multiplayer server. Come down here. Click download the Minecraft server.exe and press save file. So once that is downloaded, your downloads will appear, and you'll want to minimize that. Drag this to your desktop. Let it go, and there it is. This is your Minecraft server. So you're gonna want to create a new folder called Minecraft server, and you're gonna drag, oops, I already have one, so drag this into there. And the reason why you put it into a folder is because it's going to expand into a bunch of different different folders in the world, and it'll just generate. So once you click on the server, once you actually click on it, so I'm going to click on it. I'm not actually going to click on it, but pretend I actually did click on it. And then this will all appear once you click on it. And so you'll click on it, and it will be like, you'll go back to the folder, and it'll generate really slowly, but you'll go back to a folder and be like, wow, there's everything else. So your world, I just want to say something about the world. I had a couple people ask about this, and what it is, you can name it pretty much anything, like good world or whatever. So what you can do is, like, if you wanted to have, let's say, like two servers, like two maps for like either two different people, two different groups of people, doesn't really matter, but two maps, you can. So you start up the first one, you like the seed, you build a little, so you're good. So what you would do would you would move all of this to the good world so that you could save that over there. So this would end up being blank, and you'd start up the server and you'd think that nothing would happen, but actually it generates a whole new world, so you have a whole new map. So that would be your second map. So once you create that one, you could do second map. Man, what the heck? Map. And then you could, if you like that one, you had it going with the second group of people, you could copy everything, put it in there. Then you talk to the first group the next day, and they're like, oh, I want to play on the server. So you go into this one, you copy and paste it, and you replace it from this. So then you have the good world on the Minecraft server. Just saying. So why did I close that? So you go in here, you go to server, you open with, I suggest Notepad, pretty much anything that displays text would be good. You go to PvP, I recommend putting that as false, because it's really annoying when your friends are killing you, and that can be very bad. Server IP, please leave that blank, because other people say that you need to put something there, your server IP, that's how people join, but no, it's not how people join. I'll show you later how people actually join, and this server tutorial will work a lot better. So server port has to be on 25565, and the next step is where it gets a little trickier, but I'm sure you guys will do just fine, because if you're following the tutorial clearly, it should be good. Go to CMD, sorry I kind of did that a little fast, CMD in the bottom, and press enter, and press CMD, and then this will appear. You're going to want to type in ipconfig and scroll up. And this paragraph right here is the main one that we're going to be looking at. So your IPv4 address is one of the main parts in this tutorial, so you're going to want to copy and paste that. Um, so you copy that, copy this, and that's good. So you can close that. The default gateway, that's the second thing that I copied. Sorry I didn't say that. But IPv4, default gateway, two things you're going to need. So next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your default browser, whatever it is. I don't know why I said default, but it can be really anything. For Linksys, this will be the like what you're gonna, the IP, the default gateway that you're gonna get. So go to your sticky notes default gateway, copy and paste it into your browser, press enter. This probably won't happen. It'll actually come up with a username and password. You're going to want to type in the username admin and in the password, depending on what router and modem you have. It will model number, sorry, not modem. It will ask you add or username and password, which will be admin for the username and admin for the password for Linksys, and then for other things it might be admin for the password, it might be blank for the password, it might be admin again for the password, it might be password. Like, it could be totally different, and if you don't know and you don't have Linksys, then you can go to portforwarding.com and you can pretty much, for like, I have the Linksys WRT54G, so it pretty much just shows you, find the game that you want, model number, what router, brand you have, and it pretty much just tells you like everything perfectly. So the next thing you're going to want to do is, since you got through that security kind of thing, I don't know, but the next thing you're going to want to do is go to the application name, change it to or nothing will be here, so type in Minecraft. And then start will be 25565, and then end will be 25565, and that is the Minecraft port 14. Do not change that. That's perfect. Protocol, both. And then this is where the first IPv4 address comes in. As you can see, 192.168.1 is already there, so you don't need to type in any of this. Sorry. You don't need to type in any of that. You just need to type in the last 3 digits, which I have on there. So then you press enable, save settings, and you should be good to go. After that, you're gonna need to make sure this is open and running. Go to Minecraft, log in. Just gonna open it up a little bigger. Go to multiplayer. Then I'm just gonna delete that. Then you're gonna want to go to server address. You're gonna want to add a new server, add server. It doesn't really matter about the server name because this is pretty much just a test. So server address, type in local host and press done. If everything is working properly, this should pop up, and you can try logging in just to make sure that it's working and the map is running. So this is obviously my server. Yeah, so that's working properly. Disconnect from the server. The next part is how your friends know what IP or how to get to your server. So what IP to give them is you're going to want to go to ipchicken.com. I'll have that link in the description. This is blurred out, but well, kind of blurred out, but what you're going to want to do is copy your IP address so that you can so that this is how your friends connect to you. So you can copy and paste this, give them to them, and then what they would do is they would go to add server and type in that. That's not mine, but they would type in your IP address and then they would press done and it would connect you to your server. So for you to connect to your own server, I suggest typing in the add IP instead of the local host because that doesn't work as great, and yeah. So, and that was mostly just a test. So that is how you create a Minecraft simple server. It's not a bukkit server or anything. It's just a normal